DIY roach extermination, a feasible solution?
Hello and welcome to our deep dive into DIY roach extermination. Today, we're going to answer the question that's probably been on your mind. Can I do it myself, or do I need a professional? We'll take a look at the pros and cons of each approach, as well as some techniques you can use if you decide to take matters into your own hands.
Can I do roach extermination myself?
The short answer is, yes, you can. With the right tools, techniques, and a bit of diligence, it is possible to tackle a roach infestation on your own. Over-the-counter insecticides, roach traps, and home remedies like boric acid or diatomaceous earth can often do the trick. However, it's worth noting that DIY extermination is generally most effective for smaller infestations. If you're only seeing a roach here and there, this might be a viable option for you.
When should I hire a professional?
On the other hand, large infestations or recurrent roach problems may require a professional touch. Pest control professionals have access to industrial-strength insecticides and techniques that can be more effective than over-the-counter solutions. It's also important to consider that roaches can carry diseases, and a large-scale infestation can pose a health risk. If you're dealing with a substantial infestation, or if you've tried DIY extermination and haven't seen results, it's probably time to call in a professional.
What are some DIY roach extermination techniques?
So, you've decided to give DIY roach extermination a shot. Here are a few techniques you can try. 1. Over-the-counter insecticides. These can be found in most hardware stores and are usually effective against roaches. 2. Roach traps. These are baited devices that trap roaches, allowing you to dispose of them. 3. Home remedies. Solutions like boric acid mixed with sugar and flour, or diatomaceous earth, can be effective against roaches. Remember, persistence is key. It may take a while to see results, but if you stay consistent with your efforts, you should eventually notice a reduction in the roach population. So there you have it. Whether you can tackle roach extermination yourself really depends on the size and severity of the infestation. Small-scale problems can often be handled with DIY techniques, while large or persistent infestations may necessitate a professional's touch. Whatever you decide, remember that it's important to maintain a clean and tidy environment to deter roaches from returning. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Good luck with your roach extermination efforts.